In this tutorial, I'll show you how to count values across multiple ranges based on a criteria. In the example, we have 3 ranges, and the goal is to count values greater than 30. First, use the VSTACK function to combine multiple ranges into a single range. Add the ranges, separated by commas. Now we have a single range. Use a simple logical test to find values greater than 30. Press Enter. The formula returns an array that contains true and false Boolean values. Convert these values into ones and zeros. To do that, apply the double negative method. Edit the formula and add 2 minus signs before the bracket. The result is an array containing only numeric values. The last step is to sum the range. The formula returns 10, indicating 10 numbers greater than 30 across all 3 ranges. Finally, here is a compatible formula without dynamic array functions for non-Microsoft 365 users. If you found this guide useful, subscribe for more tips and stay tuned.